So I want to show you how easy it is to create a complete affiliate blog in just a matter of minutes using the BlogBuildr software. So I just have a demo site set up here. I can go ahead and refresh the page. You can see it's completely empty, just basically the framework of a site right now. So what I can do is I can go into BlogBuildr, and what it's going to do is give you 8 different custom GPT prompts where you simply enter a keyword or a product, and it'll create that content for your site without you having to do absolutely anything. So we have an AI post generator, which you can do any type of post you would like. We have a custom prompt for a listicle type article, product review, top 5, product comparison, how-to article, a question and answer, and then also an idea generator if you're looking for more topics to create content on. So I can just go to the listicle here and I simply enter a keyword. So my site is about golf. So I'll just write golf ball and I'll hit generate. Now what the software is going to do is go out and use ChatGPT to create a custom listicle article for you on that keyword using our custom prompt, which is built into the software. So you can see the software has created that article for me. So it went out and created a list of the best golf balls out there on the market, wrote all the content for me without me having to do anything. So now all I need to do is I'm going to add a title. So I'll put the 10 best golf balls. I can add a featured image. So you can upload your own image, or if you want to, we are integrated with Pixabay. You can get a ton of free images there. So for example, if I just do a search for golf ball, it'll bring back images I can use. So I'm just going to grab this one. And from there, all I need to do is click create article. And you can see it has been added to my site. So if I come back over here and I refresh the site, just like that, I have my first piece of content on the site. And I can repeat this as many times as I want for as many different keywords. We also have a product review prompt. So for this one, I'm just going to enter in an exact product. So let's say I do the Titleist AVX golf ball, which is just a type of golf ball. So if I want a review written on that, I enter it in there, hit generate, and it'll go ahead and write a review of that product for me. So again, it's written that content for me, went out and wrote the review using our custom prompt. So it's going to list out the features, the pros, the cons, and then a conclusion, basically an overall review of the product. So same process. I give it a title. I can search for an image. So I'm just going to go ahead and grab this one. I hit create article, and now I have another article on my site. And again, I can repeat this for as many different products as I want. So we also have the top 5, which will create an article of the top 5 products based on any keyword you put in. Very similar to the other ones. Any keyword you want, it'll create a top 5 article, which are very popular on affiliate sites. We also have a product comparison. So with a product comparison, I can list out 2 different products and it will write a comparison article on them. So for example, again, sticking with my golf theme, I could do a Titleist AVX golf ball and a Titleist Pro V1 golf ball. I hit generate and it'll write a product comparison article using our custom prompt, where it'll basically compare and contrast these 2 different products and create the entire article for us. So again, you can see it's gone ahead and written that article for me. So I'm going to take the title that it generated for me, just put it up here in the post title, and then I'll remove it from the top here. And again, it went ahead and created that entire article for me. It's going to compare and contrast them on a bunch of different features and write that whole article for me. Now, I also want to point out, this is your standard WordPress editor screen, so I can edit this if I want. I can add images, I can change text, add links, anything I want, I can do right in that editor. And then of course I hit create article and it goes ahead and it puts it on my site. We also have the how-to articles. So maybe I could write an article on how to choose the right golf ball for me. And that's going to use, again, our custom prompt to write a how-to article. Then we also have question and answer, where it'll give question and answer article based on any keyword. So I could, again, put in golf ball and it'll list out a bunch of popular questions and give the answers to those questions. So again, it's kind of like a Q&A type article. It'll create that for you. And then lastly, we also have the idea generator. So with this, it's not going to create an article for you. It's going to create a bunch of ideas that you can then use our custom prompts to create articles on. So for example, sticking with my theme, I put in golf ball, I hit generate, and it's going to create a bunch of different ideas for articles I can go out and create. So if we take a look at this, it gave us 20 different ideas of articles we could create. So you can see some of the different types of articles it is suggesting. So for example, if I just wanted to add a more informative article, we have the role of dimples in a golf ball's flight. So what I can do now is I can copy this And this is where our AI post generator comes in. I come up here, put in the question it just gave me, hit generate, and I write an article on the topic it suggested. And again, we can use these over and over again to create as much content on our site as we want. And again, in just a matter of minutes making this video, you can see my site is already set up and ready to go. A bunch of articles on there. I can keep adding more. But again, it takes all the work out of creating these types of affiliate blogs. And again, we can create as many articles as we want. So you can see this one has now created. I could add that to my site as well. So again, the blog builder software makes it absolutely as simple as possible to set up your own affiliate blog. You don't have to write any content. You don't even need to come up with ideas. You can use the idea generator, use our custom prompts, which are already geared to create articles that are popular on affiliate sites. All you do is enter keywords or products and let the software take care of the rest. So that is how easy it is to start creating your affiliate blogs with the BlogBuildr software.